Right. Go back to your notes, page 39, and we're going to look at situations when we add probabilities together. So there's a couple of wee sneaky rules that we can use in probability to just make our life easier, right? So if we've got two mutually exclusive events, in other words, the two things can't happen at the same time. So it'll be like, oh, what's the probability of getting a ace or a king when you pick one at random from a deck of cards, right? So two mutually exclusive events. Anytime you see the word or, that means you add the probabilities together. So I want you to add this in as a little extra note in your notes. So in probability, or means add. So the word or in a question means that you add the things together, right? So example 1. What is the probability of throwing a 2 or a 6 when you roll a fair die or a fair dice? So the probability, and we would write the probability of A or B, like event A or event B. So, and we do that in brackets. So the probability of a 2 or a 6 means we take the probability of getting a 2 and add it to the probability of getting a 6. Now, the probability of getting a 2 whenever you roll a dice, there's only one 2 on it and there's 6 options, so it's 1/6. The probability of getting a 6 when you roll a dice, again, there's 1/6 out of a total of 6 options, so it's a 6th. So if we add those together, we get 2/6, and we would always simplify to a third. Okay, so once you get your rule in your head that or means add, it's just taking these two things and adding the probabilities of them together. Right, let's look at example 2. So if I have 4 red counters, 7 blue counters, and 8 green counters in a bag, what's the probability that I pick a green or a red counter? So I always just do probability, what are we doing, green or red? So green or red. That means we take the probability of getting a green and we add it to the probability of getting a red. So let's see, green, we have got 8 of them out of a total of, haven't added them up yet, let's do that. So 4 and 7 is 11 and 8 gives us 19 altogether. Is that right? Yep. And then we add that to the probability of getting a red, and that was 4 out of 19. So that gives us 12 out of 19. And we can't simplify that one, so that's that one done. So it is relatively straightforward. The only thing that can come up quite a lot in probability questions that some people aren't sure about is they just assume you know about a deck of cards. So I will spend a little bit of time going over what all is in a set of cards here for you. So you might need to write this down. If you know about cards off by heart, that's grand, but a lot of people don't. So get a pen, and you already have a pen, get something to write on so you can write down this information if you need to. Right, so in a deck of cards you have got 4 suits, right? And in each suit, well, sorry, we should just say what the suits are. So we've got 4 suits. We have got hearts, which are red. We have got clubs, which are black. We have got diamonds, which are red. And we've got spades, which are black. Okay. In each suit, there are 13 cards. So we've got an ace, we've got a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, jack, queen, king. Okay. No, there's no number 1. So ace, it depends what card game you're playing, can be low or can be high. For the purposes of probability, I always just list it first. Okay. These ones here, jack, queen, and king, would be called picture cards. Let me think, what else have we not listed here? I haven't said well, if there's 4 suits and there's 13 cards in each suit, that's 52 cards altogether. So examples of what they might ask you could be, what's the probability of getting a red 2? So there's going to be a 2 of hearts and a 2 of diamonds. They'll both be red, so it'll be 2 out of 52, which then you would simplify down. Or a prime number in a black suit, and then you would look and you find all the prime numbers, and then because there's 2 black suits, clubs and spades, get the total number. Like what's probably getting any picture card. So you've got a jack, queen and king in each suit. So it's 3 in each suit, and there's 4 suits. So that's 12 picture cards altogether. Ace doesn't count as a picture card. Just the jacks, queens and kings. Okay. I think that is it. Maybe I should write the words on here. So this is hearts, clubs, diamonds and spades. Okay. Right. Time for your exercise. See you next time.